chairman of APC for Edo State, election don't come for you. And I see I'm saying that to take test strong your ability. If your capacity of the chairman where you sit down put, if you go stable, you go balance. Now this election of September 21st, now we go know. I go say make I come ask you one question because when I see that video where we say it trend, so we call the wonder. I saw Tinubu come back to the extent that they come they use and they do casket. I know some people they do am, but I say make I take your response. I don't want to go take another person. Make you respond to the matter. But before we go deep for the video matter, I go say make I ask you, Uncle Jarret, whether they call Jarret Tenebe, alias Emperor. Make you tell Edo people how not already get back for the campaign I want to start tomorrow.
We don't put everything in motion. All committees are activated. The train is going to move tomorrow. And that's why we are saying that every person has to board because there's no other station where the train is going to stop. Based on what you said just now about the video where they train on how they carry the president's casket, you know, everybody knows saying the governor, Obaseki, organize this protest for state. And for people to carry that kind of casket of the president is actually an aberration. And people, when they do that kind of thing, we also feel say such people, they're supposed to throw them into the evil forest so that every year they'll go, they stone them for that place. That's the only way they will know, say, those people are wicked people. This election as it's coming, as I won't do campaign, our message will resonate with the people. I get the belief, say, the people are ready to hear our message because the message of Obaseki don't expire. They will listen to our message, and I know, say, definitely on the 21st of September this year, when the election will come, they will definitely vote for APC like this. President already takes steps since. For instance, 20 trucks of rice, they send and come Edo State to be distributed to cushion the effect of the hardship. And he also sent about 10 billion to Edo State and so all other states so that they can use it to also cushion the effect. And the president don't put this one in motion since, and it happen. And by what we see for Edo, they say the governor call 20 trucks of rice where they bring come and other grains, where they bag in the name of federal government. He can't remove the name of federal government, and these bags of rice come in 50 kg bags. He removed the bags of federal government, can't rebag them in 10 kg of Edo State name. Then he can't distribute them among the leaders of PDP for Edo State, and they keep them for their different private warehouses. They can't rebag them again, remove that state government, can't put plain bags, can't they sell them for inside market. Something when government say, when federal government say, may they distribute to people to ameliorate the hardship of the people, they sell them. That is the fraud what they commit for this state right now, led by Governor Obaseki. That one no good now. Not be something when we're supposed to encourage, not be something when we're supposed to entertain. Also, they use this opportunity to call Edo State people because the different rights for the different warehouses, they're still there. May they come out. May they also protest to ask him to give them their palliative when President Bring come.
You will talk about your candidate, then advise Edo people how they vote for them.
Well, our candidate, Monday Okbewolo, alias Akpakomiza, is coming. In a person where we say is tested in the sense that he's already in the Senate and he's already doing things in his senatorial district, which is going to replicate across the entire state. As well, Godalo, when they contest against him, that one self never do anything before. He has been chairman of Nigeria Breweries. He has been chairman of different banks. The advice one I will give him is say, make he ready to be chairman of local government council because now there I feel say he's supposed to start. He no get experience of governance. And I believe say Monday Okbewolo, we know when some people, when they get problem of security, when they call they kidnap people, we know how he quickly come in to send money, buy vehicles to help the security people. We know number of boreholes when he don't do for the community. We know the number of roads when he don't do, even before he became a senator. When he now became a senator, he has done so many things, constituency projects, he don't do them. You see the road from Abuja to this thing, when he come be say, Bomadon already scatter. Now he waka go meet president, tell president say, he know they see road come in place again. They show him for all the television. As I speak today, that road that they do am now, and very many other things where they don't start to already they do. So I believe say Monday Okpewolo, he go take care of all the things. He will bring the state together. He will bring unity to the state. Where Oshomole stop, now there Okpewolo go start from. Why I'm saying so is that as well Igodalo say he go continue from where Obaseki stop. But my message to also Igodalo be say Obaseki no even first start anything, not to talk of say he stop. Now where Oshomole stop, now government stop for this state as I speak today. I'm very convinced that with all these things I don't talk about Monday Okpewolo, who has empathy for the people. That's what we need. Somebody when fit speak a language that the people go understand, and the people go talk to them. They go understand the language when they talk. Now we need for this state now to bring together this state. If you, for instance, now you be doctor, you won't diagnose somebody. To be able to diagnose somebody, you must be able to understand the language of that person, and the person also supposed to understand your language to tell you a problem so that you will feel know how to provide solution. But you have in Aswa Igodalo who does not even understand any language in Edo State. So how will he be able to know what our problems are? I go feel no. You know go feel no. You know say those people, anybody where is able Obaseki, we don't need them for this state. There are certain people where we don't fair talk, say we don't need any semblance of Obaseki again. If you see Aswa face, put Obaseki face, you cannot differentiate between the two. So their heart now so is also big. They be wicked people. They don't like anybody. The people where they go use, now they just sabi. They don't like anybody. Even the people where they follow them now, up and down, now because Obaseki need them for the purpose of for us to come cover his track. If not, you don't need them all. Even okay, when they there, so when you go to say Obaseki like and say he did for a government, all through when it be as SSG. Now because Ogie know all the thief when he don't thief for this state. Now only Ogie know all the thief when Obaseki don't thief. Now he make an the entertainer. If not, Obaseki is a very wicked person. He go deal with that Ogie. He go deal with anybody. Obaseki don't like who they help him. If you help him, you are in trouble. The moment you help him, he pain and say that you they help him. And the moment you come off for road for that this thing, he go deal with you. All these people you see, so he go deal with each and every one of them. You should even sure say even want the Aswa Igodalo to win. With the way when they do, if they fight Oba, if they fight Oba for artifact, if they fight everybody. Then I person, now out of wickedness, a wicked man. So we don't need Aswa Igodalo again because they say birds of identical plumage congregate in the same proximity. Because they resemble, they congregate in the same proximity himself and Aswa. They are both wicked people. We don't need them for this state. What I want to tell youth, everybody know us, say, we know they find trouble. We know one thing we hate in our life, is violence. We have never been violent in anything that we do. We're also advising our youth who are very disciplined that violence is not the answer because we have the people. If you watch, you will discover that the PDP youth leader, you will see the way when they dress. You will see our state youth leader, they wear suit anywhere when they go to. That will show you and what the party represents now. You see as I dress so. Before they wear jeans, they wear this, but you see say as I can't be now, we know like violence. So they talk to all the youth for Edo State. Make them come together. They should shun violence. Go to the poll, one man, one vote, will win the election definitely.
Thank you very much. Yeah, my people for Edo State, now don't begin listening to Emperor Jarret Tenebe will be the chairman for APC Edo State. He said they don't ready gidigba for the election and they get the full 100% hope. Say, Okpebolo Monday, he go win this election. Say, he never contest before, but the day when he take ticket of senatorial for Edo Central, where BC opposition never come before since 1999, he picked the nomination and he win the election landslide. Saying get confidence on her. Say, even for governorship, he see him say from the beginning, say this guy, how he go take pick the ticket? Because he say the guy get future for himself and for Edo people and for the party, and he picked the ticket. And that the guy ready to change the narrative from the old stock to new stock. Make una not forget say, as we see him, and so we dey talk him. We not dey carry blame, we not dey take blame. My name still remain Egenosa TMC TV Radio. Thank you.